Hi everybody! The first of the month is always insane around here, and we've been really busy getting the September kit ready for you guys. As many of you know, we do a digital kit every month for junk journaling / scrapbooking, and we've started introducing stickers as well with our other business, which is called Dilly Dally Stickers. Super cute. And so if you want the matching stickers, this video is about that, and then as well as some other kind of fun things that we're going to be doing with that. So really quick, if you want this sticker collection, you can buy the sheets individually, or you can get it at a little bit of a better deal when you buy them as a pack of 10. It's 5 different designs and 2 of each design. So I'll just really quick show you a little close-up of each one. These butterflies are super fun. The material on all of these stickers is kind of like a matte finish, semi-transparent, so it works really well with journaling and everything. Here are these little pink tickets and ephemera. I love those ones. Some classic purple and white decals. If you do end up wanting to write on these, you have to use like a Sharpie type of a pen because of the finish. Then we have our sampler washi tapes, which these ones are actually the most versatile to use because instead of having rolls of washi tape, you just have these, and they are lovely. I do love using those. It makes it really easy to add something interesting to your pages. And then of course, some classic flowers, which are so cute. I'll kind of just show you like as best I can that material. They're pretty thick and they're great. I love them. Okay, so those are the Victorian Charm matching sticker sets, and I'll have those linked in the description, or you can just go straight to dillydallystickers.com. Another fun thing we're doing is we started a subscription. So if you sign up for our sticker subscription on Dilly Dally, then so you get charged in the current month, and then that's sent out the next month. So those stickers will be sent out October, and we're doing something so fun. So not only do you get stickers, but you get like this collectible postcard. And this isn't the one for October. This is just the one we're sending with our other orders at the moment. But I highly recommend that. It's pretty fun. I want to show you guys the material here. It's like super, you can kind of see it. It's super nice. It's super fun. And every month's going to have like a different postcard on the back and a really cozy little newsletter. And then finally, the last thing I want to show you guys is we tried out some new sticker materials and I absolutely love them. So we put together this little set, and it's called the Happy Fall collection, and it's just 5 sticker sheets, and they're at a super good deal because this was kind of an experiment. The stickers turn out fantastic, but I just wanted to offer them to you guys at a really good deal. So you can check those out on Dilly Dally Stickers as well. The materials that we are experimenting with here, it's like this is like a more of a papery material. It still has a little bit of a smooth finish to it, but you can actually write a little bit better on this material. And let me see if I can show it to you. So it is clear on the back, but the sticker itself is like solid, so it's not see-through at all. Then we did these, which are just really fun, super good for like back to school vibes or anything like that. And then these hearts are actually fantastic. I don't have anything to, okay, here we go. Aha! You can like seal little letters with them, and it's really cute. I did that earlier, and I just think they're really fun, super fun to have around. This one says Happy Fall, and as you can see, these ones are like see-through and a little bit shiny, but they're super great. Like they're, okay, come on camera. You guys, I want to show you. Okay, they're really great. All the stickers are pretty thick and wonderful. And then my favorite sticker sheet from that little collection is this one, just really classic, and this is the solid, non-transparent stickers. So, come on. Why does it want to zoom in on these? Look at that. really pretty, really cool. Okay, so that sums up everything. I know that's kind of a lot, but we're just having a lot of fun over here, and it's great. So thank you guys so much for watching this little video. If you want the digital kit for Pink Monarch prints, then I'll have that linked in the description. And if you want the stickers from Dilly Dally Stickers, I'll have all that linked as well. It's just going to be a really good month, and it's just fun to collect all of these things. So we will see you guys in our next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.